Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, November 1st, 2022. Take a look at the Astro Excel for the week first. We had the down pressure on the green line Sunday night through Monday till the session closed, and it started to tilt back up, and you can see the market track that pretty well. We're going to be running in this uphill trend where it peaks out at 1350 this afternoon. The blue line peaks out at 1500. But then that's kind of flat all the way into the evening session. Then we tilt down tonight into all the way through tomorrow, and then we bottom out late in the evening tomorrow night on the green line. We make a final bottom here at about 1100, then another double bottom at 6 a.m. on the 3rd, and then we're cruising up Thursday, upward to flat through Thursday to the close, and then in the evening session into Friday we're upward bound, and then we peak out at 4 a.m. and about 8 a.m. for a double top, and then we're kind of flat through the session and then downward into the close. So that's a look at the Astro Excel forecast. Let me bring up the vedic chart. Here's the vedic chart from yesterday. You can see early in the morning, about 5 a.m. yesterday, we made a low in the big white window, and then we got a three-wave upward move reversal out of that before the market turned back down again. Now what I've done, these were the price lines from Friday. I did not readjust, and these lines held and worked well yesterday. You can see we got this trigger, long trigger here at about 10 after 10 in the AM. Did a retest and rolled up out of there. Went up to our next level line at the green timing window, triggering a three-wave short. Right back to the prior level with the white window at 1248, reversal, and then back up. And then that was about it for the rest of the day. So three good triggers with the timing windows on the A1 panel, and I hadn't even adjusted the price lines from Friday. I should have recalculated because we broke out of that range. Anyhow, looking at today, we have a couple of timing windows. We have exceeded this one. We made a new high. We only got a small reaction off that one, and then we made high right at the end of that window and got a reaction, and now we're tracking upward. You can see even today these price lines carried weight, stopping the market here, bracketing the market here and here, and then we took out above. But these lines need to be redone today to bring those back up to date.